All right, it is part 9, Under the Wings 80 in progress. Thank you, I appreciate that chirp. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Set outside sounds like a wild bird. So I went over this pencil sketch with some India ink and colored pencil. And thinking of drawing a wing here, like a metaphoric wing. Maybe one here too. Thank you, Dr. Chi. You like that idea, huh? Good. And the allegorical sea monster. Maybe two, or one kind of two main body parts. All right, to be continued. Stay tuned.